Woodpeckers' compact and robust body range from 6 to 19 inches, depending on the species. They possess a full and chisel-shaped bill, perfectly adapted for drilling into wood, allowing them to reach insects and extract them from tree crevices. This drumming serves multiple purposes, including territory defense, attracting mates, and communication with other woodpeckers. They are known for their ability to drum rapidly, producing a distinctive sound